You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is c smaller than 31 over 3 smaller than 101 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 41 over 3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is c smaller than 31 over 3 smaller than 101 over 3.